Okay, here we have Cliffhanger. I've had this for a very long time, and just now basically gonna open it up for watching it, you know, in a maybe a day or two. Here's the front. Right there. Here's the back. Here's the side finger. And oh, it has one of those, so I have to basically, if you hear perking, I always like do these like if I'm gonna do these, I do this before I start my day, you know. So I'm having my coffee. Well, I'm not having it quite yet. I had to, you know, perk my coffee, so if you can hear the perking in the background, that's what that is. Because of the time of day that I do this, I'm making my morning coffee. Okay, let's see what's inside of here. This was put on Blu-ray, you know, before they started all that ultraviolet stuff. But check this out. But as you can see, they have a whole bunch of pictures on the inside of this, which is really rare these days. They got Sylvester Stallone hanging on the rock, and they got some more rocks on the other side there, so that is really different. Do the spin, but without the, let me put this back in. So they did a little artwork on the inside, which is really a nice thing to do. So there you have it. I'll be watching this in a day or two. Okay, there we go.